Mama Mish, and guess what? It's that time of year. It's the holidays, and I know many of you will be going to light shows, see the lights, and to drive around. Since we have COVID-19, of course, they'll all be drive-through, so you can't get out. But does that mean that you can't have a good time in the car? Absolutely not. So, what I want to share with you today is just how to spice it up a bit, especially for the children to have fun and to be fulfilled in the car. Just a couple of snacks.
And here's a sneak peek of what we have today.
I went to the dollar store, Dollar Tree, and I got a couple of things that you might like. So this little travel mug here. So what you can do is just put some hot chocolate in here, put some marshmallows, and serve it up and have it ready for the kids in the car. Also, they have these handy dandy small containers. I'm just going to show you how that looks here. They come in 2 in a pack, and they have some fun little writing on them, pictures on there, and you can have this as a little trail mix snack. So I'm going to just open it up here so you can see exactly how it looks. ASMR. All right, so it has a lid, so that's always great, especially in your car, right? And then this is how it looks. It has a handle so they can have a little pill. Pop that top on like that. And I'm going to show you how I do my little Yo Mama I Want Some More's mix. Put that in here and serve it right up. Before you fill your containers or your cups, be sure to wash them out thoroughly, because even though they were at the store and packaged, you still want to make sure that they're nice and clean. Also, as far as your liquid, your hot chocolate, be sure to look at the directions to make sure that it is microwave safe. If not, go ahead and heat your water up in an additional container and then just pour it in the cup. For me, it looks like, let's see here, it is not microwave safe, but you can put your water and your hot chocolate inside once it is ready. Okay, so to make Yo Mama's I Want Some More's mix, you will need popcorn, bam. You will need some marshmallows. You will need Golden Grams, and if you wanted to add some other stuff, throw in some sprinkles, throw in some M&Ms. Make it a fun fiesta snack. Anything will do. They will be satisfied and enjoy. All right, zoom cam. Oh, look at that. Started out with our handy dandy Golden Grams. Then we're gonna throw in some marshmallows and M&Ms. And top it off with some warm popcorn. You can also throw in these too. I just got these from the Dollar Tree as well. Just little lollipops, just to make it fun. Just top it off with one of them.
That looks like candy cane.
And here you go. It's a pail of fun. Check me out, yourmamasworld.com. Oops. I also found these cute little headbands at the Dollar Tree as well. Jingle, jingle. Okay.